Okay, I need everybody to look at me right now because I'm about to say something that's going to make some of y'all a little bit uncomfortable, okay? Some of you have been out here creating content for 2, 3, 4, 10 years. You got a following, you got a niche, you got a whole aesthetic, and you still broke, okay? And you can't figure out why. It's not your content. Your content is fine, but the problem is you've been running your business like it's a little diary with no systems, no rates, no pitch, just vibes. And listen, I'm saying this with love because I used to be that person, okay? Posting 3 times a day, refreshing your analytics like it owe you money, and then get mad when a brand offer you $40 at a discount code.
I let it go for about $40.
$40?
$40, okay? No, ma'am. Okay, we are not doing that anymore. Today, I am walking you through exactly how to run your content creation like the actual business is supposed to be, okay? Let's go. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Indescribable, aka Geraldine Lake, and I am here to get you paid, okay? First things first, let's talk about your tools. Every real business invests in its infrastructure. A restaurant buys ovens, a salon buys chairs, a content creator needs a camera, a light, and a microphone that does not sound like you are recording from inside a tin can on a moving train, okay? Now, I'm not telling you to go spend $5,000 today, but I am telling you that bad audio is the fastest way to lose an audience. People will watch a slightly blurry video, but they're not gonna sit through 3 minutes of echo and wind and noise. They're gonna click it off so fast that you ain't even gonna have time to get your feelings hurt, okay? So here is your baseline. A camera or a phone that shoots in at least 1080p. Natural light is cute, but it's unreliable. Get a key light or a ring light so you can film at 9 p.m. without looking like a ghost. And please, get you a microphone, okay? Blue Yeti, Rode, something, anything, okay? Your built-in laptop mic is not your friend, and it never was. Your editing tools matter too. CapCut if you are short-form focused. DaVinci Resolve if you want something powerful and free for long-form. Whatever you use, learn it well enough that your videos don't look like they were edited during a panic attack, okay? Now, write down what you have, write down what you need, close the gaps. That is infrastructure thinking. That is business thinking, okay? Moving on, because I need to talk about something that genuinely keeps me up at night. Your bio. I've seen Instagram bios that say, I'm just a girl who loves to laugh and nothing else. No link, no niche, no direction, just a girl who loves to laugh out of context with nowhere to go. Baby, we're laughing at you, okay? Not with you. A brand manager lands on your page and they got about 4 seconds to decide if you're worth the budget. 4 seconds. And you gave them just a girl who likes to laugh. Your bio is your storefront window, and it needs to do 3 things. Tell people who you are, tell people who you serve, and tell people what to do next. There is a big difference between content creator and comedian, and I make videos for women who are done being polite about it. One is a job title and one is a personality. One makes me keep scrolling, the other makes me hit follow immediately. Your YouTube About section is basically a landing page, so treat it like one. Use keywords because YouTube is a search engine and your channel description is searchable. Tell people what your channel is about, who it's for, and how often you post. And update your link in the bio. If that link is going to something that no longer exists, you leaving money sitting on the table every single day. Now, here is where it gets good. Brand deals. Let me tell you what I need you to tattoo on your brain right now. Brands ain't doing you a favor, you're doing them a favor. You've built an audience that trusts you, and that is not something that they can buy directly. That's influence. Influence got a price tag. It ain't $40 and a discount code, okay? The way you get paid, what you're worth, is you have to learn how to pitch yourself and how to respond when brands come to you. Both directions, incoming and outgoing. For outgoing pitches, you need an actual email, not a DM that says I'm a fan. An email that says I'm a business contact. Big difference in how seriously people take you. Your pitch email needs 4 things. A quick intro with your numbers, a specific reason why this brand fits your audience, the deliverables that you're offering, and your rate. Or at minimum, a prompt to discuss budget. I would love to explore this opportunity is not a number. That's what people say when they're scared to say a number. So say the number. And when brands reach out to you, negotiate. Know what's included in your standard deliverables and know what costs extra. Full content usage rights, that's a premium add-on. A brand wanting to run your video as a paid ad, that's a different conversation with a different price tag. You got to know the rules before you can play the game, and you definitely have to know them before you can win. Now let's have some real talk, okay? If your only income right now is platform ad revenue, I need you to hear this with love. You are one algorithm update away from a financial crisis. The algorithm don't care about your bills, okay? It don't care about consistency. It don't care that you post it every single day for 60 days straight. It will hiccup and cut your check in half and keep it moving. Ask me how I know. Okay? A creator who is running a real business has multiple income streams. Ad revenue is one, brand deals, affiliate program, Amazon influencer storefront, LTK, whatever fits your niche. Digital products, merch, consulting services. Do you need all 6 right now? No, but you need more than one, and that's like yesterday. And I want to talk about digital products specifically because creators sleep on this, and I don't understand why. You don't need 1 million followers to sell a digital product, but you need an audience that trusts you and a product that solves a real problem for them. That's the entire business model. Now, think about the questions that you get in your comments constantly. The DMs people send you asking for advice. The thing you had to figure out the hard way that you wish somebody had just told you. That knowledge is a product. Package it, price it, sell it. People will buy it because it saves them time and you already have their trust. Okay, one last section, and this one is the one that actually makes everything else work. The biggest difference between a creator who is thriving and a creator who is struggling is almost never talent. I know some wildly talented people who are broke because they will not take their own platform seriously. And I know some very average creators who are making real money because they showed up like it was a job. A hobby mindset says, I'll post when I feel inspired. And honey, inspiration is not a posting schedule, okay? A business mindset says, I post on a consistent cadence because my audience is expecting me. And consistency builds trust, and trust builds income. A hobby mindset says, I don't want to seem too salesy. A business mindset says, I built something valuable and I'm not embarrassed to tell people about it. You have to give yourself permission to be serious about this, to invest in it, and to call it what it is, a career. One that you built from scratch with no HR department, benefits package, and no manager to blame things on, just you. And that's actually kind of incredible when you think about it. So stop treating it like a side project. It's not a side project. It's a whole thing. So run it like a whole thing. Now, if all of that felt like drinking from a fire hose and you want everything laid out for you in one place, I made something for that. It's called the Content Creator Business Starter Kit, and it's a 22-page digital guide that covers your equipment setup with actual product links, profile optimization across Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, 6 pitch email templates for landing brand deals, and 2 exclusive bonuses, a brand deal negotiation script and a creator rate sheet template that you can fill in and use today. It's a digital download, so you get it instantly. No waiting, no shipping, just open it and get to work. The link is in the description, and even if you don't grab it, please walk away from this video knowing that what you're building is real. It deserves to be treated like a real business, and you deserve to be paid like one. Now, y'all know what I need y'all to do. Like this video, subscribe so you can catch the next one, and drop in the comments what income stream you're currently working on. I read all the comments, and I'm going to see y'all down there, okay? So, like this video and leave me a comment. Let me know which income stream you're working on right now, and then make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every single time your girl uploads. Now, this is a 4-part series, so stay tuned. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace. Don't forget to shop my merch at www.oktobeapparel.com, where you can also grab the Content Creator Business Starter Kit. I'm going to put a link in the description, and it's going to be tagged to the tagged products.